about as myself, as Savannah.
Okay.
As Savannah, madali lang naman. Love you, my savior. And love you, Mr. Sungit.
Pwede.
As character.
Will, ikaw. Dustin.
As character.
Pwede, go ahead.
As character. As character, ah.
Ulit-ulit ha, narinig ka naman namin.
Okay. Ako,
As character ha.
as character, ah. As character. Kung ako si LA ngayon, ang sasabihin ko kay Vanna ay, makinig ka naman sa akin. Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo ay, love you forever.
As character. As character yan. Will, ikaw na lang.
Tapatan mo daw yun, Will.
As character din. Ang sasabihin ko sa'yo, Savannah,